It's me, the Programmer Owl, and today we're going to talk about how to output information from a program into a file using Xcode and C++. If you remember from my last video, I was inputting information into a program from a file. One thing I forgot to mention was to make sure you close that F stream when you are done, and you do that just by saying the name of the variable dot close open parentheses. So, say that you have some information that you want to create a .txt or .dat file from, and you can do that in Xcode with C++ language. In fact, you don't even have to create a .txt file or .dat file because Xcode will do it for you. So you had an IF stream file. Well, to do output, you'll need an OF stream file, or not file. You will need an OF stream, and I'm going to call it output. And I'm going to have to do the same thing where I have to open it as well. And this time I am just going to create a name of a file, and I'm going to call it update.dat. And then I have pretty much what I did before where I was inputting information, and now I'm going to output that information in the program, but I can also output it into a new file. And so I'm going to call the variable name output, and I'm going to take that information and output it into the update.dat. So I'm going to copy and paste, but to update it, I'm going to add 1 to each number, and we'll see how that looks. Now, I close the input file stream. I also need to close the output file stream. So let me save it, and then I'm going to run it. And it might take a moment. I have to allow access, and because I did not change the information beforehand, it's going to still print off what was input, 445. So the test will be to see if it changed in the file or if it even created a file. So what I'm going to do is go to the folder with the Fstream example, which is the name of the Xcode project that I'm in, open it up, and you see that I have an update.dat file that was created. And inside, yep, it says 556. So it worked. Thank you for joining me today. Have a pleasant day.